Today, we're diving into AllFemme Flat Femme, a store that has caught some attention lately. But is it legit? Let's explore what they offer and whether it's worth your time and money or if you should steer clear. AllFemme Flat Femme is an online store that focuses on flat shoes for women, particularly catering to those looking for stylish yet comfortable options. Right off the bat, the website has a clean, modern design, making it easy to navigate. You can quickly browse through various categories, which is a plus for anyone who values efficiency while shopping. Their product range seems to target casual wearers looking for everyday comfort without sacrificing style, which is great. However, I noticed that while they showcase a decent variety of styles, there isn't a ton of detailed information about each product. For instance, sizing details and material descriptions could be clearer. This might frustrate some shoppers who want to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. Additionally, the user experience feels somewhat basic. They lack features like customer reviews or ratings, which are crucial for building trust. This absence might leave potential buyers feeling a bit uneasy about making a purchase. When it comes to the pros, AllFemme Flat Femme does have a stylish selection that appeals to a specific audience. The website is user-friendly and the aesthetic is appealing. However, the cons are pretty significant. The lack of detailed product information is a major drawback, leaving shoppers guessing about fit and quality. Moreover, the absence of customer feedback raises red flags about the overall trustworthiness of the store. If you're someone who relies heavily on reviews before buying, this might not be the best place for you. Pricing seems reasonable, but without more transparency, it's hard to say if you're getting good value. Overall, while some may find it a good option for casual purchases, more cautious shoppers might want to explore other stores with better transparency and customer engagement. In conclusion, AllFemme Flat Femme offers a stylish range of flat shoes, but the lack of detailed product information and customer reviews makes it hard to fully endorse. If you're willing to take a risk, it might be worth a shot. But I'd recommend checking out more established alternatives if you value transparency and trust in your shopping experience.